When it comes to diesel engines, the fuel injector is the heart of the system. And if you're looking for a reliable fuel injector for your LBZ Duramax engine, the XDP remanufactured LBZ fuel injector is a great choice. XDP injectors are remanufactured in an IATF facility by specially trained technicians. Each fuel injector undergoes an extensive inspection, and any compromised parts are replaced with high-quality components that maintain factory function. The extra attention to detail during the remanufacturing process ensures that you're getting a quality replacement that you can trust in your next LBZ Duramax build. The XD493 injector is tested to perform with factory flow and horsepower rating, and each injector undergoes extensive nozzle testing to ensure 100% function for flow, leakage, and seat condition. With this LBZ fuel injector, you can have the peace of mind that you're using quality parts in your LBZ Duramax. So if you want to keep your Duramax engine running smoothly, choose the XDP remanufactured LBZ fuel injector. To get a set for your LBZ Duramax, go to xdp.com or contact a local dealer near you.